Well, Bonifacio was not that fanatic, but he really was talaga, loyal. Patriot siya talaga, no? And he was later kasi na-disappoint lang siya kay Rizal because when Rizal told Pio Valenzuela nga, naku, handa na kayo in everything, and actually Bonifacio was insulted with that, no? But overall, he really respected Rizal because he read Rizal's novels, no? and he met him at La Liga Filipina. Totoo yun, nag-meet talaga sila, no? And ano tawag dito? Kaya ano tawag? Kahit yung sinasabi natin, sino ba talaga dapat ang ating national hero? Si Rizal ba o si Bonifacio? Hindi yan yun. Walang away talaga yun. We have two heroes who have two distinct principles. Yun yun. Second, did Rizal retract? That has always been an argument for over 100 years now. Personally, I believe that Rizal retracted. Okay? I saw the document. I saw the retraction document. No? It's in the Archdiocese of Manila. Ang naging logic lang doon, kahit nag-retract na si Rizal, nagsimula na yung revolution eh. Ano ba mangyayari kung nag-retract siya? And this revolution was following everything that he wrote. No? So, wala talaga walang dahilan para ipaglaban kung nag-retract siya o hindi. Kasi, I think, this is just speculative, I think Rizal knew that nothing would happen if he retracted. No? So, pirma lang yun sa isang dokumento. Now, about the authenticity, maraming sinasabi parating argument na fake daw yung signature. Now, when I saw the actual document, yeah, pwede siguro na fake yung signature ni Rizal. But the actual document has 3 more signatures of the eyewitnesses. Kinompare yung signatures na yon dun sa actual pirma ng mga eyewitnesses na sa documents, pareho-pareho. No? So, did Rizal retract? For me, yes. Did the retraction have any effect on what did it reduce Rizal's heroism? It did not. No? Kasi nagsimula na yung revolution nung ginawa niya yun.